What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video we're going to review one of the trades that I've just taken some profit on this week. If you get any value out of this video, remember to click that like and subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Okay, so the trade that I am talking about today is with Hut 8 Mining. They're a Bitcoin mining company, and I have just taken some profit on that trade. But what we're going to do here first is look at the entry. And so I bought into Hut 8 on October 18th. I posted it in my Discord chat here. If you're not familiar with Discord chat, it's basically one giant group chat where I post all of my analysis, all of my trades, all of my charts, and people can ask me questions, and it's just basically a giant conversation to share your resources, your trades, and your analysis. And I post all of my trades here. And so this is what I posted on October 18th. I have bought options in Hut 8 for January 16th expiry. Basically, I'm saying that I think Hut 8 is going to go up in value between now and January. That's what options mean if you're not familiar. And so what I said here is I like the stock, but I already have a decent size investment in Bitcoin already, so I don't want to overweight my portfolio. Meaning that I'm already mining Bitcoin and I already hold Bitcoin, so I don't want to just keep buying more and more Bitcoin assets like that. I'm looking for something that's a little bit more leveraged or has a little bit higher risk to reward ratio. So I said I am buying options so that I can use less cash and see if Bitcoin gets to new highs between now and Christmas. I'll be able to take advantage of it with a high payoff. And so if Bitcoin was going to get rejected at $65,000, that was going to be the exit for this trade. Now, I also gave myself a timeline saying that ideally I'm looking for a short-term hold of a few weeks to 1 month on this trade. And then I posted the chart with my exact entry, and this is what it looked like. So on October 18th, we had a very clear breakout of this $13.85, $14 price level. We had 2 days of great momentum and we had very strong volume. We also had a little bit of separation from our MACD. So we had a lot of positive indicators. Things were going in the right direction, and the price of Bitcoin was also moving higher. We bounced off support at $40,000. We were moving up at $62,000 when I entered the position. Our all-time high was $65,000, and we were still moving in the right direction. So all of those things lined up for me. I took the entry, I posted it in my Discord chat, and so far it's done extremely well because today Bitcoin is at $67,415, so it's up about $5,000, which is nice. We've also set brand new all-time highs, which is very nice to see, and it means that Hut 8 is mining more and more valuable crypto, and because of that, their stock has appreciated. So we have gone from the $16 breakout that I pointed out right here, we are now trading at over $20, which is absolutely fantastic, and it means that my options are going to be worth dramatically more. And when I exited part of my position yesterday, I was able to get out at $7 right here. Yesterday, November 8th, I'm filming right now on November 9th, and my entry was right here at $4. You can see my green little arrow there, and I bought January 21 $16 call options and exited those at $7 yesterday, which is absolutely fantastic. I also posted that to my Discord chat. I've sold half of my Hut 8 options position for 67% profit today. I'm still holding half of the position, but this trade outperformed my expectations, so I'm taking a little bit of profit off the table and leaving the rest to run. Entered at $4.20 on October 18th, exited at $7 today. Here is the remainder of that position. Today it's up 50%, so one day after I sold, it's currently up 50%, so good thing we took a little bit of profit on a short-term basis right now. Flight shares are up 50% right now, and Facebook, I also posted this in my Discord chat, currently up about 35% right now, so we are doing well. Now, just to recap this trade, why did this trade work? Why did it do well? Well, the big thing that you need to understand here is that it's not always about the company that you invest in. Sometimes it's about the industry. So when it comes to Bitcoin miners, between now and when I entered that position, I want to say that almost every single Bitcoin miner has gone up in value, and that's because Bitcoin has gone up. And so the value of these companies is also directly correlated with the price of Bitcoin. And just to prove that to you, we can put it on a chart right here. And the red line is the Hut 8 mining price. The blue line here is the Bitcoin price in US dollars. And as you can see, when Bitcoin goes up, Hut 8 goes up, and when Bitcoin falls, Hut 8 falls. And so they're directly correlated. And so I was able to identify that Bitcoin was moving up. That was probably going to cause Hut 8 to move up. And I can't buy options in Bitcoin, so I might as well buy options in Hut 8, and it gives me a higher risk to reward ratio, which is exactly what I was looking for. Now, the other reason that this trade worked is because I was able to do proper technical analysis on the chart. I was able to identify that the stock was making a very clean breakout of resistance, and the stock chart had increased volume. both of which are very strong buy signals. And so when you look at my entry position here, we've got 2 days of a strong breakout, a continued breakout, and the stock continues to move higher, and we have strong volume compared to at least the entire month before. So very nice to see. Those are the indications that led up to a successful trade. And the option strategy that I implemented, this is just my personal strategy, but I identified that the stock was breaking out, and instead of buying the stock, I wanted to buy options to take advantage of that breakout and that run higher. So to take advantage of that, I bought out of the money calls, which means I'm expecting the price to go higher. I gave myself a 2-month expiry because I thought it was actually going to take about 1 month to see this full breakout and then hit resistance. So what I like to do is give myself twice as much time as I think the trading pattern or the breakout is going to take. That way, if it takes longer than expected, I still have the ability and I should be able to still capture profits as long as that pattern plays out. So I really like that strategy, and I also outlaid my exit strategy when I entered the position. So I said, if Bitcoin gets rejected at 65K, I'm getting out. Luckily that didn't happen, but I did have my exit strategy figured out before I took the trade, and that is super, super important. You need to have that figured out. Now, if you are looking to improve your trading or you're looking to get better, I have a couple of resources. If you want to join my Discord chat, see my trades and my analysis, it's $5 per month. The link is down below. If you're looking to set up a new trading account, I highly recommend QuestTrade. If you use the link below, it'll give you $50 in free trading commissions. And if you're looking for a course to teach you how to do everything that I just talked about, I have a free course. It's completely free. It's hosted on Skillshare. You get 2 weeks of free access. It's 10 hours long. Do the 10-hour course. Cancel the subscription in under 2 weeks. You won't pay a single penny for it, and I promise you it'll be the best resource that you can find online. Everything is in the links in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to click that like and subscribe button. I sincerely appreciate it, and we will see you in the next one. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll talk to you soon.